Okay, yeah. So Hummingbird Drones provides information services for wildfire agencies and emergency responders. Actually, in 2015, we became the first drone or unmanned aerial vehicle or UAV service provider in Canada to be engaged as part of wildfire suppression activity. And we've built a lot off of that. And we're now starting a trial with the Kamloops Search and Rescue and EMBC. And looking to the future of what that means. We do a lot of the development ourselves, though, in terms of the components for the drones and the supplementary software to help us parse through the data sets. So that's basically where we're focused, but we've had some amazing opportunities to do some film work and work with companies like Netflix and some international production companies too, which has been quite a bit of fun, as well as local companies actually. That's definitely where we first started getting our paying work. So for search and rescue, we're helping out with type 2 searches, and we're aiding ground crews in locating victims by flying over these grid areas and helping to increase really what's called the probability of detection, so that when the SAR manager has to make a call as to how well this area has been searched by a crew, he knows that with the aid of the drone that there's a lower likelihood of a victim being found in an area, because not only has it probably had crews walk through it, but it's also had a drone fly over it with an infrared sensor on it, which helps their confidence, and ultimately it's really leading to the ultimate goal of finding the lost person faster. He knows that with the aid of the drone that there's a lower likelihood of a victim being found in an area, because not only has it probably had crews walk through it, but it's also had a drone fly over it with an infrared sensor on it, which helps their confidence, and ultimately it's really leading to the ultimate goal of finding the lost person faster. Yeah, okay, so this is the DJI Inspire 1. This is kind of a mid-range model, but for us, it's really the Hummingbird flagship. It's the one that we rely on the most, that we feel most comfortable with flying in a lot of situations, and the one we've spent a lot of time developing for in the past. So these are our propellers, and these are our brushless motors, and this is our 4K camera, if you can see that there, and this is our gimbal. Now what the gimbal does is it maintains the position of the camera so that when we're flying, and as the cameras, or as the drone is being jittery and vibrating, that's all reduced in the gimbal, so it maintains a steady shot, I guess. And then next are the arms, which hold the propellers, and what happens actually with this is that when you start flying, these lift up above the head. So you don't have any interference with what the camera's seeing, and you also have a lower center of gravity, so the UAV remains more stable. And yeah, that's basically a brief overview.